So this is my presentation, the first presentation I did over the Battle of Tippecanoe, which relates to my theme of Indiana State history, and I'll play it here. And what I really like about Powtoon is it's so fluid, as you see here. Everything flows, and it's easy to just put in information, and then your viewer can kind of sit back and be immersed in the information, and it's still very interesting to them. It's very easy to put in images and background images, as you see here. Put a background image of General William Henry Harrison. And it's also easy to make your words and your writing creative. As you see here, I put the handwriting, and there's different ways to bring in the text and bring in the pictures, as you see here. And it's just very easy to use, and it flows so well, and that's what I really like about Powtoon. And it's probably the my favorite presentation tool of the other one that I used. Thank you.